Hi, I am Siddharth. I am here to tell about data structures concept video topic performance analysis. Compare selection sorts versus insertion sort. First of all, what is an insertion sort? It is a simple sorting algorithm. It initially sorts the first two elements of the array. Next, the algorithm inserts the third element into its sorted. The position in relation to first two elements. Then it inserts the fourth element into the list of the three elements. The process continues until all the elements have been sorted. Here we see the advantages of insertion sort. The first advantage is easy implementation, stable sorting, in place sorting. Here the disadvantage is corresponds complexity of big O n square. Here we can see the insertion sort execution example. For example, here we take the numbers 4, 3, 2, 10, 12, 1, 5, 6 in disorder position. Here first we check the first two numbers. Here we can see 4 and 3. Here 3 is smaller than the 4. So 3 goes to the first position. And it checks and go and checks to the third position. Here we can see the 2 is the smaller than 3 and 4. So the 2 will come to the first position. And again it goes for the fourth position, that is 10. 10 is greater than 2 and 3 and 4. So it remains there. And so on. It checks the all the numbers whether it is greater than all of them or less. If it is less, it goes to the first position. Here finally the sorted elements, the elements are being sorted at the last. Here we can see the program of the insertion sort. And second, here we can see the selection sort. Selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm. This sorting algorithm is an in-place comparison based algorithm in which the list is divided into two parts. The sorted part at the left and the unsorted part at the right end. Initially, the sorted part is empty and the unsorted part is the entire list. The The smallest element is selected from the unsorted array and swapped with the leftmost element. And the elements becomes a part of the sorted array. This process continues moving unsorted array boundary by one element to the right. This algorithm is not suitable for large area sets as its average and working and worst case complexities of big O n square, where n is the number of items. Here we can see how selection sort works. Consider the following depicted array as an example: 14, 33, 27, 10, 35, 19, 42, and 44 are in an array. For the first position in the sorted list, the whole list is scanned sequentially. The first position where 14 is stored presently. We search the whole list and find that 10 is the lowest value. So we replace 10 with 14. After one iteration, 10, which happens to be minimum value in the list, appears in the first position of the sorted list. Here we can see the 10 comes to the first position. For the second position, where 33 is residing, we start scanning the rest of the list in a linear manner. We find that 14 is the second lowest value in the list. It should appear in the second place. So we swap these values. So 14, now we can see, so 14 comes to the second position. After two iterations, two list values are positioned at the beginning in a sorted manner. The same process is applied to the rest of the items in an array. Here we can see the swapping process is done to the every number. The following is the pictorial depiction of the entire sorting process. Here, after swapping, we can see the uh, sorted array. Here we can see the algorithm. Step 1, set min to the minimum value to the location to the 0th location. Step 2, search the minimum element in the list. Step 3, swap with value at location minimum. Step 4, increment minimum to point to the next element. And step 5, repeat until the total list is sorted. Here we can see the program for implementation of the selection sort. Here, for example, we taken an array of elements 64, 25, 12, 22, 11. Here, first we have taken the minimum index as j. For using for loop, we sort the array. Selection sort space complexity. No auxiliary space is required in selection sort implementation. That is, we are not using any arrays, linked list, stack, queue, etc. to store our elements. Hence, the space complexity is big O of 1. And again, here we can see the selection sort time complexity. In the worst case, in every iteration, we have to transverse the entire array for finding minimum elements, and this will continue for all n elements. Hence, this will perform n square operations in total. In the best case, that is sorted array, we can do some modification by using lag to check whether the element is already sorted or not. Here we can see the best time complexity of a selection sort is big O of n, and the average time complexity of selection sort is big O of n square, and the worst case time complexity of selection sort is big O of n square. Here we compare between the insertion sort and the selection sort. Insertion sort, a simple sorting algorithm that builds.
Okay, I found this on the web for a simple sorting algorithm that builds. Check it out.
Selection sort, a simple selection sorting algorithm that repeatedly searches remaining items to find the smallest element and moves to the correct location. In insertion sort, it transfers an element at a time to the particularly sorted array, whereas in selection sort, it finds the least element and moving it accordingly. In insertion sort, more efficient than the selection sort. Here, the selection sort is less efficient than insertion sort. It is complex than a selection sort, whereas a selection sort is simpler than insertion sort. The difference is in what the inner loop does. In selection sort, the inner loop is over the unsorted elements. Each pass selects one element and moves it to it, it to its final location at the current end of the sorted region. In selection sort, each pass of the inner loop iterates over the sorted elements. Among both of the sorting algorithm, the insertion sort is fast, efficient, stable, while selection sort only works efficiently when the small set of elements is involved or the list is partially previously sorted. Here we can see the time complexity and space complexity of the sorting methods. Here we can see the bubble sort, instruction sort, selection sort. Here the best time complexity of bubble sort is big O of n, whereas the average time complexity is big O of n square, and the worst case time complexity is also the same. Here in the insertion sort, big O of n is the best time complexity, and average case time complexity is big O of n square, and the worst case also big O of n square. In selection sort, the best case time complexity is big O of n square, and which is same for the average and worst. By this, I'm ending my session. Thank you.